Hi, I'm Sarah, film and television editor, but I also have a side baking business called Lucky Treats. Boop, 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 boop. I'm sure most of you can relate when I say that every once in a while I feel like a bit of sweetness. Nothing too rich or crazy, just the perfect satisfying bite that'll make you go, mmm. So today, we're gonna make some salted caramel shortbread bars. They're basically a homemade Twix. This recipe is super easy, even if you're not a baker. Let's start baking. Set your oven to 350. Fit parchment paper in a 9 by 9 inch pan. Work ingredients together until you get crumbles that start to turn into a dough-like consistency. You can use a pastry blender, but I prefer to use my hands. Press the mixture firmly into the prepared pan. Bake until it's just slightly golden brown, about 28 to 32 minutes. While the shortbread is cooling, let's make some caramel. Plop. Boop, 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 boop. Mix, 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 mix. Bring the ingredients to a boil and cook for about 6 to 7 minutes, stirring constantly. Take off heat and mix in the vanilla. Boop, boop, boop. Stir, 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 stir. Pour the caramel layer over the shortbread and allow it to cool completely. I placed it in my freezer to help the cooling process. Melt the chocolate chips in the microwave. Stir up the chocolate chips. Place the chocolate chips in a piping bag and cut off the tip. You can go crazy drizzling the chocolate over the caramel layer. Chocolate, 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 chocolate. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Immediately chill the bars in the freezer before cutting. Cut up the bars as big as you want or as small as you want. I like little bite-sized pieces. Salted caramel shortbread bars are done. Is this not the perfect bite? Package them up as a gift or keep them all for yourself? Shall we give it a taste? The best part about this is the caramel is really creamy. It doesn't stick to your teeth. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at lucky.treats. Happy baking! Truly delicious.